Hey everyone, today, I want to dive deep into a topic that's as mysterious as it is mesmerizing. Have you ever taken a moment in your day to observe the pigeons around you? If not, well, after hearing what I've got to share, you might just start. Prepare to embark on the enigma of the phantom pigeons. First, let's set the stage. It was the late 70s, disco was all the rage, and out of nowhere, an obscure document made a brief appearance from an undisclosed government facility bearing the peculiar title Operation PP. Even though it vanished almost as quickly as it appeared, a select group of vigilant individuals kept their copies. Within these pages was a revelation: the pigeons we nonchalantly pass by every day aren't your regular feathery friends. They are, in fact, advanced drones masterminded in clandestine labs, with the main objective of keeping an eye on us, the general public. Now, you might be thinking, surely, there's a rational explanation for everything. But let's piece together some unusual events and observations that might make the skeptics among you reconsider. Firstly, consider the Battery Park incident in New York, 1998. It seemed like a day like any other until a pigeon malfunctioned right in plain sight. It didn't just keel over like a regular bird might. No, this one froze midair, halted in its tracks, and plummeted to the ground. Witnesses who dared to investigate the crash were met with a bizarre sight: intricate circuits, miniature cameras, and a slew of other technological components, none of which you'd expect in your everyday pigeon. But the mysteries don't end there. While many of us have spent ample time in cities and urban areas, how often have you stumbled upon a pigeon's nest? Or caught sight of a baby pigeon toddling about? Isn't it odd? This gaping hole in our everyday observations has a simple explanation if we embrace the phantom pigeon theory: these birds are manufactured, not born, and then strategically released among us. For those who love the nighttime skies, a group of amateur satellite enthusiasts have reported something intriguing. They've detected odd satellite transmissions that align uncannily with pigeon flight patterns. These transmissions, seemingly coded, have no known origin and are yet another piece in this jigsaw puzzle. As if these weren't enough to pique your curiosity, a recent whistleblower emerged. An engineer formerly associated with a global tech giant let slip their involvement in something referred to as a bird tech initiative. Upon prying further, this individual discovered mentions and allusions to the elusive Operation PP. But here's the deal. We're only at the beginning of uncovering this immense mystery. That's where you come into play. If you've had even the slightest unusual encounter with these birds, or perhaps some information, however tangential, that might shed light on the phantom pigeons, we need to hear from you. Share this video, chat with your friends, and let's connect the dots of this sprawling enigma together. In this vast world, brimming with mysteries and secrets, sometimes the truth might be hovering right above us, masquerading as the mundane. So, the next time you're out and about, don't forget to look up and wonder. Stay inquisitive, and always be ready to question the world around you. Till next time.